Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we're going to replace the dead battery in a Volkswagen key fob with a fresh one. We'll need a new CR2032 battery and the tip of a very small screwdriver. Unlike many VW key fobs, this one has a removable mechanical key, which will need to be removed first. Find this slotted slide lever on the end opposite the keyring. Slide it to the side and use a thumbnail to slip the mechanical key out of its slot. We want to remove this back cover from the fob. Slip the screwdriver into the area that normally holds the mechanical key and pry up against that cover. Once the cover starts to open, use the screwdriver along the side to finish its removal. And there is the CR2032 battery with its markings up. Use the screwdriver again in this small opening to get beneath the battery. Be careful, it will come away quickly. Slip a new battery in with its markings up, starting at the back of its space and pushing it down. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We're using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with the finger, wipe the battery down once again with the cloth. Snap the back cover of the fob into place. Note the notch on one side, which surrounds the red panic button on the side of the fob. Return the mechanical key to its spot. Then test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.